heard a sound. I heard it too. It's coming from above. Tweet, 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 tweet. A bird is coming. There's a paper in its beak. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Oh, wow! It dropped the paper down. Come on, let's open it. Open, open, open it now. Open, open. Let's look inside. Look, Betty, there's a picture of a tree, and there's an arrow under it. It's a clue, it's a clue. The bird is helping us. It's a clue. Tweet, tweet, tweet. The bird is flying, Bunny. Come on, let's follow it. Fly, bird, fly. Wait for us. Fly, bird, fly. Show us the way. Fly, bird, fly. Wait for us. Fly, bird, fly. Show us the way. Look, Betty, by that big tree, something is shining. It shines like gold. Oh, wow! Oh, wow! There is a letter there. It's the letter A. We found the letter A. We found the letter A. At last, we found the letter A. But it's tied up with a rope. Let's save it right now. Pull, pull, pull. Untie the rope. Pull, pull, pull. Let's save letter A. Pull, pull, pull. Untie the rope. Pull, pull, pull. Let's save letter A. You are free now, letter A. Let's take you to the board. Put it back, put it back. Let's put letter A back in its place. Put it back, put it back. Let's put letter A back in its place. Hooray! We found the first letter. Hooray! We did it today. Letter A is found. Letter A is found. But many more letters are missing. Our adventure goes on. The witch has hidden them deep inside the forest. Which letter will be next? Come on, let's find the lost letters. Detective Bunny and Betty, see you in the next adventure.